Hi YouTubers, today I'm going to be showing you a toy I got yesterday.
Yeah, can I be in your video, please?
Yes, you can be in my video. Okay, but I got a Starfighter. These are only $10 each at Disney. A Starfighter. And then I forgot the name of this. In the comment section down below, tell me what name this is, because I forgot. So, I'm going to open this one up first. And I'm going to be... Oh, okay. There's Ariel. Yeah, there's Ariel.
Ariel. You get to sit dead.
Okay, so... I'll see... Yeah, here's a set Kaliana got a couple days ago.
Put her feet to the front and then she can lean. And then it comes with Prince Eric. And I never had Prince Eric.
Yep, this set is only $30, I think. It was 26.
And
I forgot.
Here's Mr. Krabs.
No, that's Sebastian. Okay, so I'm gonna be back.
Here's Ariel.
Ariel's head. There's two different heads.
Oh wait, can I show you how to set?
Okay, nope.
What is this, see guys? And she has a purple swimsuit. And let's put her hair away. And then put her hair onto here. Then to that. And
hooray. Okay, now we're gonna be back.
No.
Holly.
Wait. And
Okay, Carly will not let me, but now she said she's okay. It's me starting to open this, so sorry, Prince Eric. Sorry, Ariel. Sorry, Sebastian. Okay, you can't really fall down. Sorry, dresses. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna be back when we're done. Okay, now we're back. We opened it, and it's actually metal. Hear that? Wow. So if you drop this on the floor, you're probably going to break your floor if it's made out of wood. So don't drop it. Seriously, don't drop it. Wow, this is good. Oh, sorry. No mark. Okay, I'm just hoping it doesn't land somewhere and breaks. Just because we're in a hotel and we don't want to pay for a room to be fixed. So, yeah. Let's go down to the next one. Here's other thing. I still don't remember what it is. There's a new one coming. December 18th. And this is from the new movie. And it's so cute. Look. So adorable. I really like this one.
Resistance X-Wing Fighter.
Oh, a Resistance X-Wing fighter. But it has a little droid. So cute.
Does it have a little droid?
Yeah, it has a little droid. See?
I see.
Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, one more thing I have to tell you. It has a little stand. One just fell off. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. This one, I gotta...
Be the next turn.
I know.
I'm gonna go outside. Okay? Just out there.
I know. And these are pretty cool because these open up. Wait. How do I? Yeah. These open up. See? So, yeah. So, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video. Bye.